Car wash on demand business is a very much trending business right now. Do you want to start your own on demand car wash business where a customer can choose his nearby providers and you earn commission on each booking? Then check out our latest car wash on demand car repair application. Yeah, let's check out. So this is the user app. User can see different categories like car wash, car clean, car repair, and much more. And he can see his nearby provider. So if he is in India, he will see India provider. If he is in Dubai, he will see Dubai provider. And now the user can see different packages and he can choose a package and he can select his card details. And that is how a user can see different packages. And now the user will enter his detail. He can make sure that he wants the service at his home or he can allow the application to go at garage. And that is how a customer can also get a service at home. And now the customer will pay online or cash on delivery. And that is how a customer make a booking on the application of car wash. And now let's understand how the shop owner application will look and how a shop owner can accept the bookings. So this is the shop owner application. He can log in and now he can see all of his bookings. He can accept the booking or reject the booking. And now he can also set the prices. He can also assign the work to his employees if he wants to. And he can make different packages for his clients. He can manage his bookings by using the app and he can track his bookings. If you are looking for a complete car wash app, kindly WhatsApp us. And now let's see the employee app. In the employee application, employee can see all the current bookings going on. He can click on complete button if the booking is completed. He can see the customer details. He can chat with the customer. He can see the customer location. And he can see the reviews and much more. So if you are looking for a complete car wash application with user app, owner app, admin, online payment and everything, then you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Raunix, making world online.